Hi, Beowulf. What's Mama got? What's Mama got? Is it your favorite thing? Is it your favorite thing? Yeah? Oh, no. We have the whipped cream container. There. The whipped cream container. So, clearly, he knows exactly what it is. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, let's see how he does it. Try again. Stay. See if we get some on your nose. Stay. Stay. You want the whipped cream? Well, duh. Stay. No, stay. We're gonna try to put it on your nose. You stay still? Okay, Bale, try again. Stay. Do you want the whipped cream? You do. Do you want a treat? You do. Are treats your favorite thing? Do you like treats? So, sit still. Okay. Chance to hit the button. Go, good girl. No tricks. No tricks.